from the cultures of different peoples across the globe,
and from the mysterious pages of history.
we brought you
The coolest, most wonderful funny stories.
and the strangest information.
The most valuable facts that will arouse your curiosity and amazement.
All this for you.
For your enjoyment and enrichment of your culture.
And now, are you eager like us to follow?
Well, let's get started.
Reduce your fears. It's just sound tricks. If you believe that only visual effects can make a horror movies frighten you, you are wrong. There are also sound tricks that can have an effect on you. Why is that so? Some studies have shown that infrasound waves were used in these movies, which have a low frequency that we cannot hear. Additionally, studies have also shown that these waves cause trembling, tension, extreme sadness, and an increase in heart rates. This is because these waves are associated with earthquakes and storms. Some viewers of Paranormal Activity, one of the movies in which these waves were used, reported feeling fear and tension without seeing any clear activity on the screen. So relax, take a deep breath, and try to remain cool.